Pag sinabi kong bawal, bawal ha. Makinig ka naman sa mapapangasawa mo.
Layo ka man, mahalagin mo tandaan. Di magbabago, pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo lamang. Magtiwala ka.
Alam mo, balang araw makikita mo rin yung para sa'yo. Pag nagkita na tayo.
Layo ka man, mahalagin mo tandaan.
Kung sino-sino pang tinatawagan mo, nandito lang naman ako. At kung saan-saan ka ba naghahanap, nandito lang naman ako. Ako na lang, sana tayo na lang dalawa.
Huwag mo nang ilaban kapag ayaw na sa atin. Matuto tayong bumitaw kapag hindi na tayo pinapahalagan.
Ayoko nang maramdaman ulit na mahalaga ako sa umpisa. Tapos later on, iiwan ulit ako. Please, don't make me happy if you have plans to leave me again. And don't treat me special. Kung sasaktan mo lang din naman ulit ako. Kasi you'll never know yung feeling na to be left alone. Much love and God bless.
Bigyan mo kasi ng second chance. Malay mo, saktan ka ulit.
I'm not a perfect person. There's many things I wish I didn't do, but I continue learning. I never meant to do those things to you, and so I have to say before I go that I just want you to know I found a reason for me to change who I used to be, a reason to start over new, and the reason is you.
Pangako di ako nahihibang, ikaw ang aking nag-iisang marami. Maaari mo pagbigyan kung sakali pag-ibig mo ay magkamtan.
You'll take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say.
Pangako di ako nahihibang, ikaw ang aking nag-iisang marami. Maaari mo pagbigyan kung sakali pag-ibig mo ay magkamtan.
Anong cheese ang hindi nauubos? Ano? Chismosa.
See a pretty face, run my fingers through her hair, my love, my life, my shawty, my wife. She left me, I'm tight, 'cause I knew. See a pretty face, run my fingers through her hair, my love, my life, my shawty, my wife. She left